I saw suddenly in a vision, we found out later I had to do research and find out this actually exists, because if it didn't exist, I was going to start it myself. Suddenly in the spirit, I saw a block of coal, like charcoal, black coal, and then it turned into a diamond. And I think diamonds come from coal. And I saw the word coal, and the Lord says coalition of African leaders. Coalition of African leaders, and the vision was for Africa to come into its diamond age. I saw a coalition of African leaders. Then I was going to even begin the organization myself, only to find out that it already exists. And the Lord says, my hand is on the coal. My hand is on the coalition of African leaders. Africa has been through fire, just like the coal in Isaiah chapter 2. You've been through fire, you've been through heat, you've been through pressure. And the Spirit of God says it's time. And the Lord says there'll be coal in business, coal in tech, coal in media, coal in government, that it was time for a coalition of African leaders to come together. And the Lord says, these people were not necessarily those already in government, so they weren't swayed by corruption or anything like that. These were business leaders, political leaders. This was like a think tank of people coming together, and part of what they were coming together to do was to think, to plan, and to implement strategies, and to provide consultation for their government. I also saw out of this a major media arm that was shaming exposure. It was name and shame. It was red-handed, caught red-handed with your hand in the cookie jar. It was a youth movement. It was like a magazine just exposing the rawness of political corruption, and it was bringing about a greater awareness. Part of it was to stoke the flame of a righteous anger that actually needs to burn in Africa. It burns and then it simmers, it burns and then it simmers, and the Lord says it really needs to burn.